Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're going to cover the last 25 miles of I-49 in Missouri, plus about 7 miles of just US-71 to the Arkansas border, where I-49 has a gap. We begin in Newton County, Missouri at mile marker 30. The mile numbering of I-49 in Missouri is based on the presumptive crossing of the border into Arkansas, which is yet to be constructed. This is why we only have 25 miles left of I-49 in Missouri and just over 33 miles to the Arkansas border. Exit 27 leads to another I-49 business loop, and we enter the city of Neosho, the county seat and most populous city in Newton County. Neosho had an estimated population of 12,054 as of 2019. The name Neosho is generally accepted to be of Native American derivation, meaning clear cold water, referring to local freshwater springs. Nicknamed City of Springs, Neosho has long served as an agricultural center and since 1888 is home of the Neosho National Fish Hatchery, the oldest in the National Fish Hatchery system. It is known locally as the gateway to the Ozarks and since 1957 is the flower box city for its beautification efforts. A large portion of downtown Neosho, described as the Neosho Commercial Historic District, is listed in the National Register of Historic Places. It includes as a non-contributing building the former McGinty's department store building. Also listed in the register are the Second Baptist Church, located several blocks north of downtown and built in the Victorian Gothic style of 1896, and the Neosho High School and Neosho Wholesale Grocery Company. Since 2001, private and public parties have combined efforts to revitalize downtown Neosho. They have restored and renovated portions of the historic district, including installation of new streetlights and sidewalks and renovation of storefronts. We enter McDonald County, named for Sergeant Alexander McDonald, a soldier in the American Revolutionary War. The county had an estimated population of 23,078 as of 2018. Exit 17 leads to the small city of Goodman, just to the east of I-49. Goodman has had a post office in operation since 1897 and had an estimated population of 1,249 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. Exit 10 provides access to the city of Anderson, just to the west of I-49. Anderson had an estimated population of 1,919 as of 2019. The community has the name of Robert Anderson, a local merchant. We enter the city of Pineville, the county seat of McDonald County. The city was laid out in 1847 and originally called Maryville, and then the name changed to Pineville in 1849. On August 17, 1897, Pineville was the site of a bank robbery, which was one of the few at that time that involved a woman as an active participant in the actual robbery. Cora Hubbard, who was 20 at the time, 23-year-old John Sheets, and 31-year-old Whit Tennyson robbed the McDonald County Bank, stealing a whopping $589.23, which is equivalent to around $16,000 today. All three were soon captured and imprisoned. The 1939 film Jesse James was almost entirely filmed in Pineville, as well as its sequel Belle Starr in 1941. Here, as we approach the Arkansas state line, we reach an interruption in I-49. US Highway 71 continues into the town of Bella Vista, Arkansas. On the right, the beginning of a future continuation of I-49 is visible. The eventual route of I-49 will go south from that point into Arkansas and connect with the current Bella Vista bypass, Arkansas State Highway 549, to the west side of town. US-71 goes through Bella Vista just to the east side of the center of town before connecting with the next section of I-49 south of Bella Vista. In March 2019, the Missouri Highways and Transportation Commission approved the remaining funding needed to complete the Missouri portion of the Bella Vista bypass. On April 1, 2020, the Commission awarded the construction of the 5-mile Missouri portion of the Bella Vista bypass to Emery Sapp & Sons for $58.7 million. The new estimated completion date is September 30, 2021. Construction started on May 11, 2020. We enter the village of Jane, incorporated in 2005 after a petition drive of local residents in order to block possible annexation by Pineville 5 miles to the northwest. Pineville had greatly expanded the city limit with the opening of the widened US-71, later named Interstate 49. In 2006, the village of Jane again expanded southward from its original boundaries to include a large section of US-71 at the behest of the McDonald County Planning Commission. It now extends south to within a half-mile of the Arkansas state line. Jane had an estimated population of 312 as of 2019. We enter the unincorporated community of Caverna, the last named place we'll see before crossing into Arkansas. We conclude today's video as we cross the state line into Bella Vista, Arkansas. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.